This profile is then used to guide the brewing process, resulting in a beer that is truly one of a kind. Section 4, Case Studies Breweries, Embracing the AI Advantage. Several forward-thinking breweries around the world are already embracing the power of AI. Intelligent X, a brewery based in London, uses an AI system to create unique beer recipes based on customer feedback. Their AI analyzes data from online reviews and social media to constantly improve and evolve its creations. This data-driven approach has earned Intelligent X numerous awards and accolades. Another example is the collaboration between Carlsberg and Microsoft. These two giants have teamed up to develop an AI platform that analyzes beer fermentation data to optimize the brewing process. The platform uses sensors to monitor fermentation in real time, allowing brewers to make adjustments and ensure consistent quality. This partnership showcases the potential of AI to improve efficiency and consistency in even the largest breweries. Section 5. The future of beer, AI-driven innovation and personalization. The future of beer is bright, and AI is playing a key role in shaping this future. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the brewing industry. Imagine AI-powered brewing systems that can automatically adjust recipes based on real-time data, or AI-driven robots that can handle delicate brewing tasks with precision and speed. The rise of personalized beer experiences is another exciting development. AI will empower consumers to have a greater say in what they drink. Imagine a world where you can order a customized six-pack, with each beer brewed to your exact specifications. AI will make this level of personalization accessible to everyone, not just beer connoisseurs. Section 6. Cheers to the future, AI's impact on the beer industry. AI is poised to revolutionize the beer industry, from the way beer is brewed to the way we experience it. By embracing AI, brewers can unlock new levels of efficiency, consistency, and creativity. For beer lovers, AI promises a future of personalized beer experiences, where every sip is tailored to individual tastes. So, raise a glass to the future of beer, a future where AI and human ingenuity combine to create the perfect pint.